Hello guys, welcome once again. In the last video I have shown you how to connect MySQL database with your Visual C++ Windows Form application. Now we will develop our code further and we will try to make a login page so that you will be provided to text field, and when you click a login button it will verify your username and password from the database, and it will show the message that if your username and password you have entered is correct or not. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first of all, we will delete this text box which we have made last time. We don't need it now. Okay, and when you click this OK button which we have made last time, double click it, and because we have deleted our text box, we don't need this line also in while loop which we have created in the last video. So just delete this line also. Now go to your design once again, and what I will do is I will change the text of this button as login. So I will go to the properties here in the property tab, and I will search for the text. So where is the text? So here it is. Instead of OK, I will write login. So I press enter, and you can see here in your button login is displayed. And now I will go to my toolbox in here, and I will grab two text boxes from here, this text box number 1 and text box number 2, and I will also take two labels, label 1 and label 2, and I will place it here so it will look nice. And now I will click label 1 and change its text and name it as user name, press enter, and I will click label 2 and change its text in the properties as password. Okay, and if you want, you can change the text on the name of these labels. For example, I will name it as password. So it's good practice to use this name field to name them, so you don't get confused in names. So this one, and for username I will change the name as username LBL for label. Enter. Same I will do for this username text box. So I will name it first. I will name it as, in the name field I'm changing, by the way, user name underscore txt, so I know it's a text box. And in the text field Where is it? Yeah, here it is. So in the text field I will write, no, I just want to leave it blank, so I left it blank. And the password field, here I will name this label as password text in the name. Okay, press enter. So what I have done is I have taken two labels and named them as username and password, and I have taken two text boxes and I have named them accordingly, sorry, username for username text box and password for password name. And what I want to do is, when I click this login button, it will verify the username and password which I have created in my MySql database. So I will show you my MySql database here. Just open your MySql database, and in here I have created a database named database, and I have created one table here. In this table I have employee ID, EID, name, surname, age, username and password, and I have provided some data in them. So in order to remember these username and password, I provided them username and password numbers. So username, if the username is 1, password is also 1. If the username is 2, password is also 2. So it's easy to remember, but you can give username and password according to your requirement. It's just for the understanding. So I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 columns with these names and this data. So last time we have seen how to connect your database with this C++ application, and when you click this login button, double click, we have created this code in the last two videos when we have written the connection with MySql. So if you don't know this code, just go to previous two videos which I have made, and you can see how I connected my database. Now in this line, as my SQL command, I have provided a query here. You can see, select star from database dot. So this is my database name, this is my table name. Now I want to verify whatever text I enter in these two text boxes, it the MySQL database takes that text and verify that text whether it's entered correctly or not, and verify the username and password and give me feedback if it's correct or not. So last time I have written this query, I will change it a little. So I have written select star from database dot edata, which is this database and this edata table, and now I will write select star from, and I will write further where I will see my username. This is my username and password. So username and password, so I will use these two things here, where username is equal to what username is. So write two quotes, double quote, in between them write two single quotes, and in between them write two double plus, and in between two double plus signs we will write. So what we will write, we will click this username text box and go to the properties and copy the name of